Hi guys, this is Ryan. Let's take a look at this JBL WAVE Buds from JBL. Now let's take a look at the quick features in the box. You can pause at any moment of the video for you to take a look. So let's move on further and we will now go to the unboxing. So let's unbox this JBL WAVE Buds. As you open the box, we have here the paperwork. So the quick start guide, the manuals and all. Then we have extra ear tips, that's 3 sizes at that. And of course we have this JBL orange Type-C charging cable and the buds itself. So let's take away this covering. So here comes the buds and the charging case. It promises 32 hours of battery life, 8 on the buds and 24 on the case. This is water and dust resistant. And we have here at the back this Type-C charging port for charging, so it's easy to grip and handy. It is also lightweight, 34 grams on the case and 9 grams on the earbuds. We have here the LED indicator, and this has comfortable fit. This is also Bluetooth 5.2 and with tap control earbuds both on the left and the right. It promises a JBL deep bass sound, and guess what? Unlike the other Wave that we've reviewed, this is JBL app compatible. So you can connect this to the app and you can control voice aware and all other things in the JBL app. We're gonna have a content on that on the next video. Of course, let's try this with the drop test because this is open case type. Okay, so the buds stick and won't drop easily. So this is the JBL WAVE Buds from JBL. Tell me what you think. What other things have I missed? And what other things do you want us to do? Please subscribe. This is the JBL WAVE Buds. This is Rai. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.